How does one attempt to put their life back together when everything they were taught to believe was just a made-up story, an elaborate cinema production that made me believe I understood life to some degree? Once your, and I'm using air quotes, solid foundation crumbles, you feel as if you're on one of those never-ending free-fall rides at an amusement park. It's incredibly difficult to catch your breath and to find some sort of stability. I really believe this is the cyclic nature of life, and for the most part, I've really trusted in that things always get better, the sun will always come out again, but there was this part of me that feared I had gone too far over the edge. Every night as I lie in bed, appreciating the peacefulness of the night while I doze off to sleep, never did the thought cross my mind that the sun may not rise in the morning. Just as I never once had the thought, what if this story I believe about life is not true? Once that reality began to unravel, it felt like everything else I trusted in also began to crumble before my eyes. I didn't know which way was up and which way was down. Leaving my religion and then turning 40 got me all kinds of mixed up about my life and the purpose of life. I didn't realize how much value I put on my ability to have children. I didn't realize how much value I put on being a Mormon woman. I didn't realize how much value I placed on youthful beauty and anti-aging. I didn't realize how much value I put on worldly success, fame, notoriety, productivity, and worthiness. I found myself detaching from all of it, and as a result, not knowing who the hell I was. I didn't realize the impermanence of this experience, though. It was unlike anything I ever felt before, and I wasn't sure if I would ever remedy my constant confusion about life. Little did I know that my initial breakdown/breakthrough would last almost 4 years before I began making sense of things and feeling put back together. It really feels as if I'm putting pieces of myself together but not using any of the old pieces. It's like putting a puzzle together that is completely blank. Every piece is just pure white, nothing on it, not even a speck of color. Putting the pieces together gives me a sense of wholeness and a feeling of pure potentiality. And you would think I'm describing emptiness or loneliness, but really, it's such an exciting process to put this blank canvas together, because now I'm ready to create a masterpiece with new shapes and colors I've never used before.